Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I know, right? It's been a minute since I said that one. Ciao.
5, 6, 8. Y'all need to hype me up.
Do that thing with your eyes, eyes.
Today I'm going to be recording a 90s inspired makeup, and for my inspiration, the people that really know me are already gonna know what I'm gonna pick, but I am going to do, I'm actually going to be doing a Brandy, not just because I got the braids. When I was younger, not anymore, now that I'm looking more mature, but when I was younger, people used to say I look like her all the time. So I have two pictures that I keep on going back and forth with. I think that in general, she always did kind of like a smoky eye. So I'm just going to do my spin on the smoky eye because I don't like too much black. You know what I'm saying? I don't like too much black on my eyes. But, you know, it's going to give Brandy-esque. So let's get into it. So I don't know if I should talk through this video or if I should not talk through this video. I mean, what's a girl to do? So I'm gonna go in with my Huda Beauty primer to prime my face first. So I am just going to take this brush right here. It has no name. Does it have a name? Opulent Beauty. I'm just gonna put a little bit of this on my brush and just.
Not get with you till my day comes. Here's what I'm gonna do.
Check it.
Yeah, shouldn't have been my fool. Thinking about you. I must confess, I'm a mess for you. Shouldn't have been my fool. I'm just a mess with a flavor.
So I have to find a good palette to use for that. I'm just gonna use this one. This was a good one. The Anastasia Sultry palette. I'm gonna use this. And the first color that I'm gonna go in with is this black color in Noir. And I'm just going to put this all over my eyelid. I'm not going to prime my eyelid because hers isn't like super smoky. It's more of a like you know, a brown black smoky.
With you till my day comes. Here's what I'm gonna do. Gonna do, yeah. I'm honest for you, baby. I'm just a mess with a thing. You know I'm crazy, you live this in my happiness. Turn my heart round. It's gonna make it around. Tell me what is I need to know.
I'm gonna go in and kind of blend out the edges as well as kind of put it a little bit on the color as well, like mix it in, causing it to kind of give a gradient effect. So just watch. See, I'm putting it on the top of where it ended, but I'm also dragging it down a little bit. So I don't want the black to be too black.
Tell me if I'm far or if I'm getting close.
For concealer today, I'm gonna go in with my Fenty Beauty concealer, the Pro Filter concealers, and I have two colors here, the color 390 and the color 380. So I'm just gonna mix the two of them.
Excuse me, can I please talk to you for a minute? Sure, you know, you look kinda familiar.
familiar. Yeah, really too. But I just wanted to know, do you know somebody named? You know his name. Oh yeah, definitely. I know his name. But I just want to let you know that he's mine. No, he's mine.
I'm just gonna go in with Laura Mercier translucent powder and translucent honey, and I'm gonna use the same beauty blender that I use just to set under my eyes.
This shit always happened to me. Why can't we just play for keeps? Practically on my knees, but I know I shouldn't think about it. You know what you're doing to me. You're singing my songs in the streets, acting all innocent, please. But I know you're probably thinking about it. Then you realize she's right there.
Alright, I'm just gonna go in with a large brush with my airbrush flawless finish in the color 4, and I'm just going to put it all over my face while removing the excess powder. Next, I'm gonna go in with my Charlotte Tilbury bronzer. I'm gonna go in with my e.l.f. brush and Always Rosy. Just apply a little bit right here. I'm literally not even gonna apply that much. Make sure you blend that out. I'm actually going to set my face first before I finish up on my eyes and do my lips, so I'm just gonna go in with this Morphe spray. I'm shaking it. I don't know why, because there's nothing in here. Really, it's like done.
Yeah, here we go like that. Yeah, here we go like that. Yeah, here we go like that.
If your girl only knew that you was trying to get in me, what would she do? If your girl only knew that you was kissing her to talk to me.
I think this look came out really good. It's not exactly like her, but it's a very similar. I had to scratch out that last clip because it was doing too much brown, but I love the way this came out. Let me know what you guys think down below. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. I'll see you guys in Vlogtober, because you know I'm doing Vlogtober this month, so I'll see you guys in Vlogtober. And yeah, I feel so good. I haven't done my makeup in so long. Alright, well, thank you guys so much for watching. See you later. Bye.